10 budget-friendly meals for under $10. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of budget-friendly cooking, where we will explore 10 delicious meals that you can whip up for under $10. In these challenging times, eating well doesn't have to mean spending a fortune. So, whether you are a student, a busy professional, or simply someone looking to save a few bucks, this video is tailored just for you. Let's get started. Before we jump into our list, let's take a moment to consider what makes a meal budget-friendly. It's all about utilizing accessible ingredients, minimizing waste, and maximizing flavor. Each of our 10 meals not only stays within our budget but also brings joy to your palate. So, grab your notepad, and let's embark on this culinary journey together. Our first dish is a classic Italian recipe, spaghetti aglio e olio. This simple yet flavorful dish requires just 3 main ingredients: spaghetti, garlic, and olive oil. You can easily make this for around $7. Start by boiling your spaghetti according to package instructions. In a separate pan, gently sauté minced garlic in olive oil until golden, then toss in your cooked pasta. Finish with a sprinkle of chili flakes and parsley for an aromatic touch. And there you have it, an elegant meal that is both satisfying and economical. Next up, we have a vibrant vegetable stir-fry. This dish is versatile and allows you to use any vegetables you have on hand. For around $8, you can create a colorful plate full of nutrients. Simply chop up your choice of vegetables, think bell peppers, broccoli, and carrots. Sauté them in a pan with soy sauce and a hint of sesame oil. Serve it over rice, and you've got a meal that's not only economical but also packed with flavor. Our third budget-friendly option is a refreshing chickpea salad. This protein-packed dish can be made for about $6 and is perfect for lunch or a light dinner. Combine canned chickpeas, diced cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, red onion, and a dressing of olive oil, lemon, salt, and pepper. Toss everything together, and you'll enjoy a delightful salad that's both filling and nutritious. Meal number 4 is egg fried rice, a delicious way to utilize leftover rice. This dish can be made for around $5 and is incredibly easy to prepare. Stir-fry some beaten eggs in a little oil, then add in your leftover rice and vegetables of choice. Season with soy sauce and green onions. This dish is not only budget-friendly but also a fantastic way to reduce food waste. Next, we have a hearty lentil soup. For around $7, this meal is comforting and packed with protein. In a pot, sauté onions, carrots, and garlic, then add lentils and vegetable broth. Season with herbs like thyme and bay leaf, and let it simmer until the lentils are tender. This soup is perfect for meal prep and can be easily frozen for later enjoyment. Our sixth meal is tacos with black beans. This flavorful dish can be made for about $8 and is a fun way to engage with friends and family during dinner. Fill taco shells with seasoned black beans, lettuce, tomatoes, and cheese. You can customize your toppings to your liking. Easy, quick, and delicious. Meal number 7 is baked potatoes with toppings. For just $6, baked potatoes can offer a hearty base for a range of delicious toppings. Bake your potatoes until tender. Then load them up with toppings like sour cream, chives, cheese, or whatever you have on hand. This is a filling meal that is both budget-friendly and versatile. Next, we have pita bread pizza. For around $7, this meal is perfect for a quick dinner or a fun cooking activity with kids. Simply top pita bread with tomato sauce, cheese, and your favorite toppings, then bake until the cheese is bubbling. It's a creative way to enjoy pizza without the cost of takeout. Our 9th meal is oatmeal with fruits. At just $5, oatmeal is a nutritious and filling breakfast option. Cook your oats according to package instructions and top with seasonal fruits, honey, or a sprinkle of cinnamon. This meal is not only affordable but also a great way to start your day. Finally, we have curry chickpea wraps. This flavorful dish can be made for about $9 and is perfect for lunch or a light dinner. Mash chickpeas and mix them with curry powder, yogurt, and diced vegetables. Spread the mixture onto a tortilla, roll it up, and enjoy a delicious wrap that's easy to make and packed with flavor. And there you have it, 10 budget-friendly meals that are not only delicious but easy to prepare. Eating well on a budget is entirely possible, and with these recipes, you can enjoy a variety of flavorful dishes without stretching your wallet. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more budget-friendly cooking tips, and share your favorite affordable meals in the comments below. Thank you for joining us today, and happy cooking!